8:13, we had to stop our class because the connection was poor. There are times I could hear him, he couldn't hear me, and back and forth. So I said, we're just wasting time. I will have a class tomorrow morning at 11. We'll meet at the library. It was impossible. But now it's slowed down. It's very bad, very, very heavy earlier. Well, I did complain it was very hot. So, okay. Suddenly, we started class, and then I heard, I was wondering, what's that sound? I asked Louis, is it raining there? He said, yes. Then he said, here? I said, yes, I can hear. Because there have been times when online class, it'd be raining that side. B block. And not a single drop. A block. Can you believe it? Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm all yours. Come. Yeah, you can take the life out of me, what is left. Okay, I close the window. Oh yeah, now I don't know what to do. I'll read. Hi. Baby, see you're panting. Wait, I'm going to come and pant. Wait.